come now to your feet, O King. With empty hands our offering, like Ruth who bowed in humility, we seek your covering. At harvest time in fields of grace, she found her rest, her dwelling place, and at his feet she sought his face for mercy and embrace. At your feet we fall, we fall. Bread of life, you are our all. Cover us beneath your shawl. We call, we call, we call. Boaz rose to redeem the bride. He would not leave them cast aside. With grain enough he would provide until the time was right.